Okay, welcome back everybody. As promised, we are getting back on this aluminum Briggs. So, pile of parts, and we're going to take the recoil starter apart here. I've never actually taken one apart like this before, where the recoil part with these 4 bolts comes off of the actual blower housing. Usually it's just tabs I've ever seen that you fold over, or the bolts that hold it in are on the front. I've never seen one internal like this. So this is must be some in between, you know, before they figured out. Anyway, who knows? Doesn't matter. It's all the same. So I won't bore you with all the details. I'll just throw you up on the tripod and probably just do a time lapse. So I'm sure there's a million videos on this, but I haven't put out a video in this series for, I believe it's well over a year. So I just need to put something out for it, and depending on how long that takes, we'll, you know, scrape some stuff off, wipe that out, or something. But I'll make a good video about it, and here we go. Alright, so, like I said, nothing too fancy about it. Like I said, I've never seen one held in with plastic clips before that you screw in, but, I mean, it came right apart. That flung, you know, but that's kind of just what it is. Another thing I've never... this had a little rod that the rope went, you know, wrapped around, tied around, and then it gets held in with that. I've never seen that before, so that's kind of neat. I popped out the seal and the block and the crankcase cover, scraped the gasket off. I don't know, there's really not a whole lot to do until I get to, you know, sandblasting it, which I'm just not going to do in this weather. It's just far too cold. I mean, it's 50 down here in the basement. I mean, and that's with my little heater vent open, so it's just too cold to go out and do anything. But hopefully this will keep you coming back. So that's about it for today. We're going to sign off, and we will see you soon.